Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to discuss about how to get shortlisted if you're applying for the jobs. It's common problem, like if you're applying for the thousands of job, hundreds of job, but it is very hard to get shortlisted for the desired job role that you actually look for. So to fix this problem, I have created this video and I would request you to watch the entire video for the better understanding of the few steps that you must practice while applying for the job. Okay, so there are certain things that you need to follow before applying for any specific job, and we will discuss that steps one by one. Okay, so very first step is your cv, and you can also call it as a curriculum violet, resume, and your cover letter. Okay, so nowadays we apply for the job on online mode, right? So our resume is the electronic version of yourself. So it describes your personality, your professional experience, your education and qualification, your skill set and all. So try to create a very easy, simple, and easy to read kind of cv. Okay, the your cv should not be more than 2 page. Do not add too much detail or over detail your resume. It will not make any sense because the recruiter really don't have that much time to go through in details of your resume, right? So whatever things that you're mentioning into your resume supposed to be crystal clear and short. Second thing is your JD. So we do apply for lots of job, but we really don't read the job description in detail. What are the skill they look for and experience level, location. So these kind of things we generally really don't look while applying for the job. Okay, so let's discuss how you can work on this 2 point to get shortlisted. So first of all, your cv. Let me show my cv. So this is the sample version of my cv. I just added some information and the rest of the things are as it is, right? So if you see here, I had kept my small profile picture, my name, my contact detail. So it is very clear. So whenever any recruiter or any hr open up my resume, they will quickly see my contact detail and my address. Okay, in objective I had simply mentioned my overall experience, my abilities, and my professional goal, like career goal. In education, I simply mentioned the university name, the course name or program name, percentage, and the timeline for it. It is very simple, not very difficult to read. HSC 64%, which college, SSC from which board, how many percentage, and the timeline. So it is very crystal clear and easy to read. Then I added the skills. If you see here, I specifically mentioned my skills like SAP, Tableau, Microsoft Excel, SFDC, CRM, Power BI, Ultrix. So it is very important, right? The recruiter specifically look for this point. Okay, so if your skill set is not clearly mentioned into your resume, then you will lose the chance to get shortlisted. You have to mention your skill set very precisely and very clearly. Okay, then your work experience. Here, this is the work experience. If you are fresher, you can add up your project work over here. Very easy. The job title, company name, location, timeline, and very crystal clear statements of what I do on this particular position. Some project details, like so. Similarly for the previous jobs that I had done, And if I have done any projects or you don't do any projects, then you can add it over here, the hyperlink. You can add the links for your certifications also, so it will add some more value to your resume. All right, so this is a 2-page resume, and if you know, you can download this resume from the link given into the description, and you can update your resume accordingly. Okay, so I will share this copy into the link in the description box. So this is all about the resume. I will not stretch more on the resume because I am already sharing the sample, so you can work around your resume. Let's jump on the second point, the job description. So let's say you are done with your resume, you have very good resume now, but second mistake that you usually do while applying for the job is not reading the job description properly. So let me give you a small demonstration how you can work on the JD on this. So let me open up the LinkedIn and apply some filters. Like in job section, I'm applying the job analyst or the data analyst, location India. All right, and there are some openings, I can see it over here, right? So let me pick up any one of the job. Let's say SQL data analyst, this one. Okay, so if you see here, the job title is the data analyst and SQL is specifically mentioned. That means this recruiter want the person who have a very good understanding of SQL, right? Let me go through the job description over here about the job. This is the job description, but you can see it is a competitive intelligence specialist responsible for sourcing competitive insights, tracking changes, market condition, and regular reporting. So reporting is the second key, SQL is the first key. So let me note it down over here. So for this particular JD, what are the skills they want? SQL knowledge, reporting. Let's see what else they are looking for. Support multiple vendor relationship and nearby license and expert user. So they want some sort of operational expertise, like communicate with the different stakeholders. So operation knowledge to handle the different stakeholders and all that. Then supplies tools and dashboard, and the position will report the competitive intelligence manager, work closely with cross-functional team members across the various business unit. So yeah, now see, the experience required is 3 to 5 years, and this is our third key, like the level of experience is 3 to 5 year. Now experience desired retail environment, retail KPI, competitive intelligence, and blah blah blah. It is not that much needed. Business analytics, finance related knowledge is required. So bachelor's degree in any analytical field or relevant field. Okay, now see the job responsibilities very carefully. Work closely with external vendors. Okay, so this is something the cross functional. Report against gained Eagles go market strategy. So reporting knowledge. Then work closely with analysts team, so with across the pricing, promotion, and strategy. So working with different cross functionals and support team, and existing analytical skills, tool studying the basics, and support of special project and compliance milestone analysis needed. So if you look this job description closely, they are expecting SQL as a main core skill, and your operational ability, how do you communicate with the stakeholder, customer, and the client, and internal and external teams. That kind of operational skill set they are looking for. It is not a very hi-fi kind of role. If you are good in SQL and Microsoft Excel, and in reporting. Along with it, if you are good to manage your work, good to communicate with the different stakeholders, different business unit, internal and external team, then you are the right fit for this job. So if I would have any skill, I will specifically mention the SQL in my skill set over here. So if you see here in the tools, in the language, I will add the SQL over here. Instead of SAP, I will add the SQL and reporting. Okay, so in my job experience, in work experience, I will try to add some reporting related work. Also, I will add like working with the different stakeholders, preparing the ad hoc report, and work with the different stakeholders. I will rebuild my work experience based on my JD, and then I will apply for this job. So once I apply, to get shortlisting to this particular profile will improve my chances, and they will give me a call based on my application. So these two important things that you need to follow. And one more thing is there, if you can get in touch with the HR recruiter of this particular job role, then that would be a add-on one. You can ping them on the LinkedIn or on the email address if they give under the job description. That would be a plus point. And same as that, you can take a follow-up with them if you have the valid email address. Okay, so let's jump on to the second job, like the data analyst. And if you see here, it is a remote work, company size and all that thing you will see. If you see here, meet the hiring team, you can actually message them from here and share your resume with them. You can simply go through the job description. In the requirement, they are native or bilingual speakers. Okay, computer OS should be Microsoft Vista, Microsoft Office 7 and above, 3 to 5 years of residency in country that you are located, and Windows Live IT. So I think this is not very hi-fi requirement. They are looking for some local guy who have the own OS and some Windows ID. So I think this is a startup entry level company, and if you're absolute fresher, then I think you can definitely apply for this particular role to get a kind of exposure to have work in some entry level position. So this is how you can judge the JD and apply. So do not blindly apply for any job. Simply go through the description and see if you are right fit or not. Like in this particular job role, if you see here, they have mentioned the responsibilities here: collaborate with different cross-functional team, as operational knowledge, then identify a process improvement, identify the gap, means they want someone delivering the very good quality service. And the skill set, you see, they need 1 to 3 year of experience, any bachelor's or master's degree, good SQL knowledge, R or Python knowledge, and hypothesis testing, machine learning algorithm. Like if you are the enthusiastic in machine learning, this particular job is right fit for you, because the experience level is 1 to 3 year. Even if you have done some courses, you will definitely get shortlisted to this job. Okay, and visualization skill like Tableau, Power BI, QQ. Great experience in technical requirement gathering and ability to document technical requirement is a strong plus. Like if you are good in documenting the process, the technical stuff that you are doing in this particular job, that would be add some more value to you. So you can mention this as a activities, like you already prepared a document in your past work, like you are good in the machine learning also, or you have done some courses in machine learning, that would be a good plus. And you have a strong SQL skill, that means if you are already done with some SQL scripting in your past work, it will add some more value. So this is how you can judge the job description, modify your resume, and then apply to the specific job. So this will improve your chances to get shortlisted. So yeah, this is all about today, friends. So hope you got some sort of understanding from this video. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share your thoughts into the comment section, and do let me know your additional thoughts. I'll try to answer it. So till then, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.